After a great day at Hopewell Rocks Provincial Park, I was looking forward to visiting Nova Scotia. I stopped at the Visitor Information Center in Amherst, where I met Jacob playing the bagpipes. We had a great conversation after he finished performing. He said the center has always had a bagpiper on staff to celebrate the province's Scottish history. When I entered the center, I was warmly greeted by Max. When I told him I didn't have any specific plans other than spending 6 weeks in Nova Scotia and on Prince Edward Island, he told me to get out, to leave Nova Scotia immediately. Say what? He went on to explain there had been a recent storm that caused a lot of damage, and that I would be better off visiting Prince Edward Island first. Max was a wealth of knowledge and gave me a lot of tips, the first of which was to stop at Trueman Blueberry Farms back in New Brunswick. The Trueman family has been farming the area since 1775. They are dedicated to sustainable farming practices to ensure their products are not only delicious and healthy, but also environmentally friendly. They now operate a pick-your-own farm with bakery items, homemade ice cream, and event hosting. It looked like a great place to hang out, and I definitely enjoyed their blueberry ice cream. I decided to spend the night in Cape Tormentine as I found a great boondocking location with a view of Confederation Bridge, which links Prince Edward Island to New Brunswick. I enjoyed the spot so much, I stayed the better part of a week to enjoy the views, warm water, and walks on the beach and down the pier to the derelict lighthouse. I thought I'd drive just to show what's here. There's still active harbor, so there's not a lot of people here. They just brought all these lobster pots out just the last couple of days. That boat was out of the water getting a new hull painting. And right in front of these two rigs is where I stayed. So I had a fantastic view. Get a great sunset view from there. Nicely done.